Hello everyone. Welcome to my ELA Today series. I'm Teacher Rita. In this video, we will expand our knowledge of the 8 parts of speech and concentrate on the noun. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not and click the notification bell to get the latest videos. Now let's get started. There are many aspects to learn about nouns, but today we will focus on the following tasks. Review the definition, give examples, distinguish proper and common nouns, and distinguish concrete and abstract nouns. So let's review. What is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Let's look at a few examples for each category. Person, place, thing, and idea. Now let's talk about proper nouns and common nouns. A proper noun is a noun that names a specific person, place, or thing. Let's find a few examples. Ford F-150. This is a specific name of a thing. Walmart, a specific name of a place. And Mr. Johnson, a specific name of a person. So these are all proper nouns. Let's look at the common noun. A common noun is a noun that does not have a specific name. For example, man, pencils, and love. So all of these, again, are common nouns. So what about concrete or abstract nouns? Let's look at what concrete nouns are. A concrete noun is a noun that can be experienced with at least one of the 5 senses. So, what can we hear? What can we see, smell, taste, or touch? Looking at our list, let's find something. How about cookie? We can see, smell, taste, and touch a cookie. So the word cookie is a concrete noun. But what about the abstract noun? It's just the opposite. An abstract noun is a noun that cannot be experienced with one of the 5 senses. For example, happiness. Happiness is an abstract noun. You cannot experience happiness with one of your 5 senses. Also, all of the other nouns in the idea category are considered abstract nouns. Well, this concludes today's lesson on the noun. Thanks everyone for joining. I hope you have a better understanding of nouns in English. Hey, feel free to leave comments or questions below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe. See you soon.